Hi, my name is Sally Kennedy, and today my Padlet lesson is about using graphic organizers. My standard is 3.1.4, use technology and other information tools to organize and display knowledge and understanding in ways that others can view, use, and assess. So simple terms, that is using different kinds of graphic organizers in your library. There are a few very compelling reasons why you should use graphic organizers in the school library. First, the students are considerably more likely to understand and remember the content subject you're teaching. So simply put, the information tends to be less fuzzy and more precise. It kind of cuts out all of the middle ground and only focuses on the very important things. Or it takes out the things that may be interesting but not essential. So using an information gathering model like the Big Six, which I put on the Padlet, or the Super 3 are tried and true methods to teach students to become information users extraordinaires. Second, you can address the content at a more complex level. Especially true for students with learning disabilities. So this is a huge way to really show them, instead of just telling students how information is structured, and can help facilitate that learning. And a third reason why graphic organizers are very important to use in school and in school libraries are they teach students to be more strategic thinkers. It's a great strategy for them to learn with reading and writing skills, communication, even analytical or critical thinking skills can all improve when students learn to recognize the patterns of thinking, constructing, and putting all of those important ideas into a graphic organizer. My discussion question is, why are graphic organizers important? And so students can get together in partners or small groups and talk about what the benefits of graphic organizers are, and maybe how information would be processed differently if we didn't have graphic organizers to kind of organize the information that we are receiving. Thank you.